Ever wondered why some people seem to have an eternal glow to their skin, while others struggle with blemishes and breakouts? Could your eating habits be the secret key to unlock the mystery of radiant, healthy skin? Welcome to the fascinating world of the gut-skin axis, a cutting-edge field of science that is transforming our understanding of how our bodies work. This science suggests that there's a direct link between the health of our gut and the vibrancy of our skin. The gut-skin axis, for those not in the know, is a term used to describe the relationship between the gut microbiome and skin health. The gut microbiome, a complex community of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system, plays a crucial role in our overall health. It aids digestion, bolsters the immune system, and even impacts our mood. But what's truly fascinating is the growing body of evidence suggesting that the gut microbiome also influences our skin health. How, you ask? Well, when the gut is healthy and balanced, it helps to regulate inflammation throughout the body. This can lead to a decrease in skin inflammation, which in turn helps to prevent skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. On the flip side, an unhealthy gut can cause an increase in inflammation, leading to a variety of skin issues. This can explain why certain foods, particularly those that upset the balance of our gut microbiome, can lead to skin problems. Now, if you're wondering how to maintain a healthy gut for radiant skin, the answer lies in your diet. Eating a diverse range of foods, particularly those rich in fibre, can help to nourish your gut bacteria. Foods like fruits, vegetables, microgreens, sprouts, and legumes can all contribute to a healthy gut. Fermented foods in particular are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their gut health. Foods such as kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, and kombucha are packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that can help to balance the gut microbiome. In the end, it all comes down to one simple fact. The foods we eat have a direct impact on our skin health. A balanced diet, rich in fibre and fermented foods, can help to maintain a healthy gut and, by extension, promote radiant, healthy skin. To delve deeper into this topic and truly understand how to harness the power of the gut-skin axis, consider reading the Face Your Gut ebook series. This comprehensive guide offers a wealth of information on the gut-skin axis, gut health, and how to eat your way to glowing skin. Find the link in the description below to get your copy. Remember, radiant skin isn't just about what you put on it, but also about what you put in your body. So, the next time you're planning your meals, remember the gut-skin axis and make choices that will nourish both your gut and your skin. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the gut-skin axis. Until next time, keep feeding your gut, and your skin will thank you. Yours in well-being.